up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Allie G, the weird, crazy, wild child. You already know. So, for today's video, we are going to be doing another DIY. And as you saw on the thumbnail on the picture, we're going to be doing makeup removing pads. So, without further ado, you guys, let's jump into this video. And we are back. So, the ingredients we're going to be using is going to be vitamin E. I have a little bottle of it. So, vitamin E naturally hydrates and heals damaged skin. We're going to be using castor oil. Castor oil helps reduce the appearance of scars and acne. It also helps diminish wrinkles and fine lines. It's pretty good for various things for the skin. The reason why I bought it was because I heard it also helps grow eyelashes and eyebrows. So I do have a separate mascara bottle where I poured castor oil in there. I haven't been consistent, but I'm probably gonna hop into that and put it directly on my eyelashes. So it's just pure castor oil. I didn't mix anything with it, but in a mascara brush. So I'm gonna be doing that and be consistent about it. We're also gonna be using witch hazel. Now, witch hazel has a little bit of alcohol, but it's mixed with all of these other herbs. It helps fight bacteria and acne, and it also helps tighten the pores. So we're going to be using that. You guys already know water is good for hydrating the skin. We're going to be using water, and we're going to be using coconut oil. So my dad bought me a big jar of coconut oil, and my niece ended up dropping it. So the container broke, and I had to pour it in a different container, but that container wasn't big enough. So I put the remaining in here. And coconut oil is also good for so many things, but it's really moisturizing. So that's what we're going to use to moisturize our skin. So let's get started. I'll go ahead and start with witch hazel. Oh, 1 tablespoon of castor oil. I'm gonna go with my vitamin E now, and I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of that as well.
Three hours later.
All right, my loves. So the whisk that I was using to stir the solution, hey, you're gonna break my table, buddy. Was not working. So I'm bringing in the big guy. You guys need to see this. I'm not sure if you guys knew this, but apparently I've never mixed things like this before, so it's not mixing quite well. And I think it's the coconut oil reacting to the witch hazel. Maybe I may be wrong. I don't know. I'm not that knowledge. I just know all these ingredients are very good for your skin. But okay, you guys gotta see this. Come here. It's creamy now, but it's just not mixing in. Okay, you guys, we are back. I was literally about to just give up on this and try another way, but I added a little bit of water because I thought maybe that would help. Just a little bit, but actually, because it was so creamy, it was obviously the coconut oil, because look at this. Look how it is. It's creamy. So it was definitely the coconut oil, you guys. recommend you guys heat your coconut oil first before putting it in there. So you heat it up first. You can kind of see that it still has, like you can still tell that the coconut oil is up there, but it's at least liquid, so. Alright, you guys, so the jar that I initially had for them was the one where I poured all the coconut oil, so I just took it out. I don't know why I didn't think about this in the first place, but okay, let's just do it. And then we just let it soak. Lessons learned from this video. 1, heat your coconut oil before you mix it in with the rest of the ingredients. 2, buy a proper jar. I thought this was gonna work. It probably works well with cotton balls for sure, but not with pads. But they are gonna serve its purpose, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. And let's go take off half my makeup so you guys can see. Just kidding, you guys. We're gonna stay here. I actually decided to just bring my mirror because my restroom is a little too small to be bringing in all the camera equipment and stuff. Alright, so I did wear makeup for that purpose. I also have mascara on. The only thing I do not have is eyeliner. But we're going to test them out. Off it goes. Oh my gosh, they work so well. Alright, I'm going to use another clean one just to see how much makeup, if it got it all, or I need 2, just to see how many pads we need to remove all this makeup. It's coming off. So far that was 2. Let's do a third one. Alright, and that is it. That is all of my makeup. I use 3 pads to take it all off, but I usually wash my face after I use a makeup remover. Usually I take off my makeup with wipies and then I wash my face. In this case, I'm not sure how you guys do your routine, whether it is you just use the wipies only and they're very effective that you don't need to wash your face, but I still like washing my face anyway. So after using 3 pads of what we just made, I'm still gonna be washing my face regardless of how many I use, just because that's just me. I don't know, but there is a difference. Damn, you guys can we're gonna see how this goes. So far my face feels very, very, very moisturized. Just kidding. Damn. And I have been having trouble sleeping, as you guys can tell.
They say if you can't sleep at night, it's because someone's up thinking about you. Let me sleep!
But all right, my loves, that is all I have for you guys today. I know I need to get some sleep. I literally have had trouble sleeping. Like, I just literally have my eyes closed and I'm listening to everything. I'm hearing Teddy move constantly. Yeah, story of why I have dark eyes. Anyways, back to what this video is about. I washed my face and I literally went over my face again with one last pad just to see how much of it was removed. And I literally, there's nothing. So I don't have any makeup. The one side has very, very little bit of like brownish, but it's like very, 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 very little. And then I flipped it again and just went over my face on the other side. And yeah, my face is clean. I still haven't put my moisturizer on yet, but my face feels pretty moisturized just with the pads itself. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if it helps. If it inspires you to do your own DIY and mix in, you know, whatever ingredients you prefer. And also a big thumbs up if you like my DIY videos. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe for more if you want to be part of the weird, crazy, wild journey. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye!